Hello, so this is Quizlet, one of the oldest apps I think around for online teaching, and it has a 30-day free trial if you want to try the pro version, which has some extra little bits in that you might want to use. So if you have a look at the home page, once you reach the home page, you'll see your name that you've created and you'll be able to create a study set. On the left here, you can actually sort your sets into folders if you want to put maybe one folder per class, and over here you can create a class and then you get a particular link that you can share with them. I'll just see if I can click on my class. There you can actually send them a join link over there, so then every time you upload on here they'll be able to see what the your new flashcards are. So Quizlet actually works like a bunch of flashcards would in the olden days, let's say, and you can actually create sets of flashcards. So you just click over there and you can create. Now obviously you're going to title it, you're going to put a description maybe, and you can import your information from any of these places. So once you click on there, you can just import from any Word web file that you have. This one is a really nice little addition. I think it came in a few months ago, maybe about a year ago, where you can actually get them to add and label a diagram. So I've got a diagram here of the eye. I'm just going to choose that and plop it in there. Now obviously this eye is already labeled, but let's imagine that it isn't. You would put here lens, and then you would put the definition of the lens in there, and then you would click add. So once the students have got to that term, which is over here, what is a lens, it focuses their eye, they can actually click on the image to see where that would go. Okay, so I've just added another term in there, vitreous humour, just so that we can use this set. And once you've added the terms in, you can actually add an image by clicking over here, and then it asks you if you want to upload your own image or if you just want to use one of these. We're just going to use one of these for now, and I'll just add a another one from there, just to give the students a nice little extra little bit. Now when I said we can import the words from here, you can actually, sorry, that's the wrong one, you can actually use Word or Excel or whatever, cut and paste your information into the study set like this. Now in here it asks you what you want to do. So between the term and the definition, as you can see, I've used a comma, and between each card I've used a semicolon. So I just changed that over there, and as you can see now we've got 4 new cards that have been created, and you just import them. That's literally how you do it. So you've got all of your 4 new cards, and then if you want, again, you can just add an image just to make it a little bit more exciting, and once you've done that you can create. Now the good thing about this is that they can actually use this set to do different things. So for example, if they just want to learn it, they're just literally going to switch between the question and the answers. So this is something is the resistance of the motion. So they've used the different words that you've got in your set, and then you obviously have this one over here. If you click over here on the lens, I don't know why that did that, but okay, anyway. Let's say that I got the wrong answer, so it will tell you to study that one and then press any key to continue, for example. So it's just kind of a nice way to practice with that. You can actually use it as normal flashcards. You can get them to write it, you can get the students to spell. So one of the ways, for example, is just type what you hear basically. So if you press this, I don't know if it plays because I'm recording, but anyway, you get the idea. So there's just little games that they can play with each one. They can even do a test, or they can match a game. This is probably for the younger years maybe. You've got to protect the planet from the incoming asteroids that come quite slowly anyway. and you can click get started. Now you can study only the starred ones, that means the ones you got wrong. You can answer with the term, the definition, or either one. You could make it easy, medium, or hard, and then you can start. So you'll start the game, and then the student will get, for example, the what is this? The lens. Okay, so they've got to type in lens to get the answer right. And then the next one, I'm going to get it wrong, whatever it is. So let's just call it humour. See if, oh, it answered lens. Let's say lens. So I've got the wrong answer, and that means that it's actually going to hit the planet, for example. You can actually pause this, restart the game, restart whatever you want, basically. There's another nice game on here. I think it's match, yeah. Again, you just match the right one. So obviously one of these will match here, and then you've got the flashcards over there, which you just literally join them together to the right one. So again, just little games for them to play with, and it helps them to remember keywords. It helps them to understand anything that might be difficult, especially the definitions. So let me know if you like that one. It also has, for example, if you search for forces, you can actually get samples, millions and millions of cards that are all ready made and ready to go, which maybe I should have started with that, but anyway. So these are ones that other people have made. Just do check them just in case. Some of them are free, some of them come with the premium, and some of them are like study guides, whatever. It's up to you, whatever you would like